19 Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, shredded chicken salad, a traditional appetizer, always present in Vietnamese family meals or feasts. How to make. Prepare ingredients: chicken, choose thigh or breast, 500 grams. Should use local chicken for firmer and sweeter meat. White cabbage 300 grams. Choose fresh, firm cabbage. Carrot, 1 large, onion, 1 small, Vietnamese coriander, 1 small bunch, roasted peanuts, 30 grams, lemon, or kumquat, 2 to 3 fruits, chili 2 to 3 fruits, 4 cloves of garlic seasoning, fish sauce, sugar, vinegar, salt, pepper. Steps to make: boil and prepare chicken, wash the chicken. Put the chicken in a pot, cover with water, add a little salt, a few slices of ginger and onion, half a bulb, to boil together. When the chicken is cooked, turn off the stove. Soak the chicken in the broth for about 10 to 15 minutes, then remove and let cool completely. Shred the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Mix the shredded chicken with a little salt, pepper and lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, to make the chicken more flavorful. Preparing vegetables: thinly slice cabbage and carrots. Slice the onion thinly, soak it in a bowl of ice water mixed with a little vinegar or sugar for about 10 minutes to completely remove the pungent taste and keep it crispy. Then remove and drain. Wash the Vietnamese coriander, chop it finely. Crush the roasted peanuts. Mix the fish sauce for the salad. Basic recipe: 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 3 tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons lemon juice. Add the minced garlic and chili, stir well until the sugar dissolves. Taste and adjust the sourness, sweetness and spiciness to your taste. Mix the salad, put the shredded chicken, cabbage, carrots and onions in a large bowl. Slowly pour in about 2/3 of the mixed fish sauce. Use gloved hands to mix gently but firmly so that the ingredients absorb the spices without breaking them. Presentation and enjoyment: pick up the salad and place it on a plate, arrange it in a pyramid shape or spread it evenly. Sprinkle chopped Vietnamese coriander and roasted peanuts on top to enhance the aesthetics and flavor. Enjoy immediately after mixing to fully experience the crunchiness of the vegetables. This dish is often eaten with shrimp chips or crispy grilled rice paper. The remaining fish sauce can be used as a separate dipping sauce if needed. Things to note: to prevent the chicken from drying out, after cooking, soak the chicken in hot boiled water, turned off the stove, for a while before removing it to cool. Remove the pungent smell of onions. Soaking thinly sliced onions in ice water mixed with vinegar/sugar is an important step to help the onions become crispier and remove the unpleasant pungent smell. Mixing time: only mix the salad about 10 to 15 minutes before eating. If mixed too early, the vegetables will release water, the salad will be soft and lose its delicious crunchiness. Salad dressing: this is the soul of the dish. Always taste the dressing to ensure the perfect sour, spicy, salty, sweet balance before mixing it into the salad. Shredded chicken salad is a traditional appetizer, always present in Vietnamese family meals or feasts. This dish is a perfect blend of the natural sweetness of shredded boiled chicken, the cool crunch of shredded cabbage and carrots, along with the characteristic aroma of Vietnamese coriander and roasted peanuts. All are mixed with a rich sweet and sour fish sauce, creating a balanced sour, spicy, salty, sweet flavor that is extremely stimulating to the taste buds. Thank you very much for accompanying us. See you in the next videos with many delicious dishes.